welcome back to another episode of Monkey Ninja Games, and welcome to the very first Let's Recreate. Now, whenever I was deciding on which game I should pick for this episode, I had to think, what would make sense for my first Let's Create video? How about one of the first games that ever came out? So, the game that I chose to recreate is Pong. Pong, it's simple, it's easy, it's very simple. What do we got? We got a block, another block, and a ball in the middle. Seems pretty easy, right? Which is why I decided to make this our first episode, since we're gonna be doing this for constructive purposes to build our way up to bigger and better games. This is the segment where we play a demo to see what we need to create. Really? You have to demo Pong? Really? I'm pretty sure everybody here knows how Pong works, you idiot. Look, would you just let me do this? I've already written the script and everything. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Anyways. Oh, I'm on that side. Okay. Yeah, I win. Okay. So, we have two player paddles, a ball, a square ball in the middle. We have a dash line, we have borders, and we have a score. Sound I'm not too worried about at this point. So. Ah! Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough of that! How do I get out? Stuck in the... Okay, the development engine I'm going to be using for all game development is Unity 3D. I'm not going to go too much into the specifics on how to use it. Gonna give some hints, I'm going to go over some parts, but this channel is mainly about game design. It's not a Unity tutorial, rather than utilizing this program for our purposes. First things first, let's get our objects into the game. Okay, so we know what we need to go for. We know what objects that we need. So let's go ahead and get started on creating Pong. So first things first, let's get some objects in there. Okay, so we got our board where our ball is going to be staying in. So now let's see, let's make it about 5. Yeah, that looks about a good size. Yeah, I don't think board, not big enough. That's what she said. Why do I deal with you? You know that's what she said. We're not even talking about that. We're trying to be serious here. Serious? You're making Pong. We're building up, you mother. Okay. I'll step back. You call me when you need. I'll think. Anyway, so like I said, okay, so we need to make this bigger. That is what she said. Would you just get out of here? Anyways, let's make the board bigger. All right, so that looks much better now. Now we have our little paddle right here. Now, our next step is to get that paddle to move, which we would do by scripting. Now, scripting is basically an electronic piece of paper with a lot of ancient Chinese gibberish on it that makes your game do cool things. So, let's make some cool things happen. That was pretty awkward, wasn't it? Sorry, I'll probably edit out that wink. Yeah, I just put some gibberish inside the script, so now our paddle should move. Let's see what happens. And play. Okay, all right. So it's working, but it's on the other side. So let's fix that real quick. Or I'll fix it. You guys can just sit there and eat your popcorn and check your MySpace, whatever kids do nowadays. Okay, test 2. All right, it's in the right place. All right, it's moving. Okay, step 2, ball. Or step ball. I kind of forget how many steps were in this, so we're on step ball. Okay, on step ball. Okay guys, I need your input on this one. So, are we gonna go retro style with the classic Pong, a little modernization? Did I say that right? I think I did. And go with an actual ball. Okay. Here's your options. Take your pick. I'll wait. No pressure. Good choice. I was thinking the same thing. All right, let's go with it. Okay, so now I've made a script for the paddle. We got it moving. So now we're gonna make a script for the ball, which you guys chose. Awesome, thank you. And now I've made a script for the ball. So let's see if we can get the ball moving. Yeah, okay, I just wrote some gibberish. Let's get this ball moving. Okay, play. It's not moving. What? Why is it not moving? Oh, whoops. Forgot that script. Ball movement. Oh wait. Okay, selected. Move this over here. Okay, I'm gonna try an initial velocity of 600. Now 600 is the speed at which the ball is going to move. So it's just a testing value. Let's see what happens. It should move by the way that I wrote the script. It should fly in the top right, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Whoops. Okay, that brings me to the next point. So now we need to add a bounce to everything. Otherwise, it's just gonna go into that top right corner. So we need to add a bounce to the ball, the game outline, and the paddle boards, so everything will bounce off of each other. So step, bounce, yeah. Okay, so I took the time, I added a physics material to all the objects. Now they should all have no dynamic or static friction. So now they should just bounce off of each other like bouncy things. Anyways. Okay, so I added it. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure if this video's frame rate could catch that, but it went off the game board. It just went crazy. All right, so let's change that to about 60. Let's see what we get. What the? Alrighty then. Oh, I know what I did wrong. So what I did, so in my script I put my my add force, to which I add the direction in which this ball is supposed to go. I put it under a function called fixed update, which is a function that runs, whoop, there it goes, that runs every frame. So I do that, it's just gonna keep going and going. So let's see what happens if I just call it once. All right, so now let's see what happens. Okay, so I added a small little force to it. So what I need is an impulse. Let's try that out. Okay, I just made the change. Let's see what happens. And play. All right, now we got it bouncing around the place. That's entertaining. Oh, there it goes. All right, let's slow it down a little bit. We'll say about 20 seems healthy. All right, that's around the ballpark. That's around the ballpark. Okay, let me see if I can hit it. And oh, okay. Kind of lost some points on that one, but okay. Damn it, I suck at this game already. Can't even play my own game. Okay, so if you notice how the ball is spinning around like that, we don't want that. That's not how Pong goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna freeze the rotation. Is that for the ball? Yeah. I'm gonna freeze the rotation in the X, Y, and Z so it won't spin around like that anymore. So this is part of the whole trial and error of game development. You put something new, you try again, you test often. Very important. It goes to the moral of the story. If you want something to work, you gotta play with it. Anyways, back to it. So I just did the constraints. I'm pretty sure it works. You're not really supposed to do this in game development, assume something works, but I just did that so I can tell you 100% that it works. Now, what else do I need? We got the ball, we got the paddle, so now we need to make the ball disappear whenever it comes into contact with one of the sides, because that means that somebody scored. Yeah. Are you not gonna leave me alone today? Anyways, so we need to test the collision. So for each one of these walls, we need to check this box right here, is trigger. So whenever the ball hits one of the walls, it's gonna trigger a function, and that function is gonna be destroy and score. Let's get to it. Step collision? Yeah, that sounds good. Step collision. Okay, I just added a little bitty part to the script, so now whenever the ball hits the sides, it should disappear. We'll add the whole particles and whatnot once we figure this out. One step at a time. One step at a time. Sorry. Okay, so I changed a little bit to the ball's movement for testing purposes, so that way we can test to make sure that it works on both the left and the right wall. So let's see what happens. So to the left, boom, disappears. All right. Now to the right, nope. Oh yeah, that's right, I put that there. Boom, all right. Okay, so we have that part. So now whenever the ball is scored, okay, we're gonna keep it simple. We're gonna get the basic gameplay parts first, and then we're gonna add the cool stuff. It's very, very easy to get distracted. You know, you're making the game, you wanna add, I wanna make this game cool, I wanna make it awesome now, I wanna make it, I don't know what this is, but it's something we wanna do with the game. But you have to go step by step. Fundamentals and basics first. Sorry, so let's make sure that we're able to play this game, and then we'll add the whipped cream and cherry on top. Okay? Alright, let's do this. We are in Operation Scoreboard. Let's get it. Alrighty, finishing this up. So far I'm putting the GUI text, which stands for Graphical User Interface. Yeah, I know, big words, huh? Yeah, I'm putting the text at the top of the screen, which is usually where scores go. Kind of hard to see from right here, but here's our actual game board. Whenever you create a GUI canvas, what it does is it blows up to this huge theater screen pretty much, but whenever you press play, this is actually what you get whenever you are actually in game mode. So have the players up. So this will be player 1 score, player 2 score, and then this will just say score. Okay, so now I just need to write a script. So if the ball collides with player 1's goal, player 2 is going to get a point. Vice versa, if player 2's goal, player 1 gets a point. And then whenever somebody's score gets to, we'll say 7, I think that's right, 7 is usually the default score for winning. Then I'm going to post a big old GUI text right here. It says, "You won! You win a year's supply of chicken wings and an all-access pass to the Playboy Mansion." Yeah, I think we can all agree on that one. Bing! Why'd I add that effect whenever I can just do it in the editing? Anyways, on with step, script the score. Okay, so I think I did all the right stuff in there. So let's make a test, see if it'll actually work. Okay, press play. Bounce. So this one should change to 1. Okay. So now vice versa, if I move this up, it should change to... What the f... What just happened? Why? Why you do this to me? What happened? Okay. Give me a sec. I'm pretty sure I know it. Yeah, I know what I did wrong. Okay, so for my right goal, if I click on that, I have it tagged under goal 2. So in my script, if the ball touches goal 1 or goal 2, it's supposed to or disappear. So my goal 2 is working. We saw that. I went to goal 1. It's undefined. Yeah. So I'm gonna go here. Goal 1. Click that, and now if I move my little paddle ass over, yay! It works. That's gonna happen whenever you make games. Bugs will occur, you will forget stuff, and you will go crazy. You just haven't seen me do it yet, but that's for another episode. Okay, so now whenever the ball hits, it disappears. So I'm playing the game where the ball's gone. What do I do next? So what we need to do is, upon destruction, the time whenever the ball goes poof, we need to make another ball, which is called instantiation, which means we pretty much give birth to a game object in the game world. So now I need to include in one of the scripts or make a new script that whenever the ball goes poof, we need to make another ball alive. So step, give birth to a cube ball. Yeah, that sounds professional. Okay, so I tried adding the instantiation to one of the other scripts, but that didn't work. I tried adding it to the ball script, but turns out that whenever you add a script to something that's destroyed, the script doesn't work anymore. Go figure. So what a lot of people do, a lot of game developers, which is the smart thing to do, which I didn't think I'd have to use it for such a simple game, but since, you know, it is a game, it is going to need an object need. It's going to need something called a game manager. Read that. Game manager. And the game manager is pretty much what runs your game whenever different events occur. So if the ball disappears, then that'll tell the game manager, hey, our ball has disappeared, make another one. So that's what we need to do. My game manager, I've already made it. Now I'm going to add a script, call it game manager. Time for me to write another script. Alrighty, I just did a whole bunch of scripting. Let's see if it did anything. Alrighty, boom, and wait. Game manager. I didn't attach the script. Okay, another good point. If you do not attach a script to any game objects, at least any game objects in the game, your scripts are worthless. So scripts are only effective whenever they're attached to game objects, which is what I fail to do, which happens from time to time. You'd be surprised how often it happens. Not just to me, to everybody. Everybody damn. Okay, so game manager, I'm gonna attach to the game manager. So now, game manager has the script. Am I forgetting anything? Let's see. And, okay. I'm pretty sure I know what I did wrong. Reference object not set. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty sure I know what I did wrong. Okay, I think I got it. I had to mess with a lot of bugs. Surprisingly for Pong. Surprisingly for Pong. But I think I got it. I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens. Boom. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to look into a few things, but I am on a bit of a time constraint right now, and I'm still getting used to the whole YouTube thing. So just bear with me, I'm still learning all the tricks and the trades, but I'm gonna have to end the video right here. Thank you for watching the first episode of Let's Create Pong. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, thank you for watching. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you already made it this far, you might as well click that like button and subscribe, because this is only the beginning. I still got Let's Play, Let's Recreate, and then reinforcing gameplay. Whoa. Don't want to give away too much. But stay tuned, subscribe, join the Ninja Clan. And remember, together we will play, we will experience, and we will create. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Later.